Hello dear traders, and we arrive at the episode number 10 of the Trading Forex Scanner Masterclass. In this video we will talk about the simulator and how to use it to become a better trader. The simulator, as I explained in the introduction video, the number 1, is a tool that allows you to open position, see the profits or loss, as well as the profit and drawdown in percentage, but without opening the position in real condition, as they will only be open in pending. Let me show you another example. By clicking here on any number, I will open the position within this simulator. So I will open in the simulator number 1. Then I click on a position. Do you want to sell? Yes. Here. Yes. Here, for example, yes. And one more, yes. So I've opened 4 positions. As we can see here, we see the profit or loss in dollars as well as in percentage. Therefore, if I use a certain volume, I want to check if I will be reaching a certain risk or reward. I can do it without actually opening the position, which we will confirm right now by opening the terminal. As you can see here, in the terminal, we have our pilot pending position, which always opens to monitor certain parameters of the EA. And we have our 4 positions that we've opened here. You can see the time, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then if I click here, as you can see, if I only keep my mouse on it, it shows me that live order opening. I can click here, and then I will have the opportunity to open those positions live, which I will not do now. And then I can close here and look at the positions. Immediately they are all closed. So first of all, the simulator has 2 main advantages. The number 1, being able to open position, monitor the profit and loss without having to risk anything at all, and without having to switch every time from demo to live account. Especially that you can trade within the simulator with the same balance that you will be trading in your live account. There are many traders that we will open a standard demo account with $100,000, for example, but will be trading with $500 or $1,000. And this is a huge problem because you will get used to trade on your $100,000 account, opening huge volume, 1 lot, 5 lot, 10 lots. Then you will go back to your $1,000 account. Of course, you would have to adapt your volume based on your balance. But why having to always make this adaptation when you could be trading within the same balance and not having to switch between different conditions, maybe different group types? All of this is available within the same account. The second main advantage is that, as you can see here, we have 3 different baskets. So we can open a first basket if we have an opportunity, let's say on the yen, with only 2 pairs. I will open only those 2 pairs. Then I can open the second basket and I will have opportunities within the Swiss franc. I will open the other 3 pairs of the Swiss franc. Let's say I even have a huge opportunity within the Australian. I'll switch to the Australian and I will open a 3rd basket with my Australian pairs. Having the simulator lets you open all those positions, monitor what's happening. You can immediately click on live and open them live, or you can let them until you are ready, and with 1 click of a button, all the position will be open live. Especially when the market is volatile. As I told you, you might make a mistake because you are in a rush. And I'm going to show you a very specific example with a currency that in certain currency pair is at the base and in others is at the quotes. As you can see, the sterling here is at the base. Sterling Australian, sterling Swiss franc, sterling New Zealand, sterling yen, sterling dollar, sterling CAD. But on the euro is at the quote. One common mistake that beginners trader will do is that they will have an opportunity to sell the sterling and they will quickly in their platform sell the euro Australian, sell the sterling Australian, sell the sterling Swiss francs, sell the sterling CAD and sell the euro sterling. By the time they realize it, they have 1 position that they've opened on the wrong side. In our case, I'm going to change the volume here and put it at 0.01 to show you actually how those positions will open. And I will open 3 baskets. Number 1, let's open something on the sterling. So let's say I want to sell some sterling New Zealand as well, and sell some sterling CAD, but buy euro sterling. I can take my time. I have my sterling basket open. I click on number 2. We can verify that I have my sterling open. They are here. I'm switching now to, let's say, Australian. I have my second basket open, and now I'm going to sell Australian New Zealand, sell Australian Swiss franc, but now the Australian is at the quote. I can take my time and buy the euro Australian. I have my second basket open. I check on the terminal. I have all my sterling here and I have all my Australian here. And then I open my third one, the yen, and now I'm gonna sell some Swiss yen, sell some sterling yen, sell some dollar yen, and sell some euro yen. Once again, I just want to confirm that I have all my pending open here, there. Now I can click on one of them. Nothing happens here, nothing happens here, but here something happened. Why? That's an additional security that if you want to activate, I'm going to click on no. If you want to activate, you need first to have it in yellow. So you don't click and you make a false manipulation. You have an additional confirmation. I click on one. Now I can activate it. And look at what will happen here. Yes, boom, automatically everything is open. I click on number 2. I am ready or I want to wait. That's my choice. I have this one that is live, but this one I want to wait a little bit. I go straight to the number 3, to the yen, which was my favorite. I click on yes. Boom, everything is open. Last one, I'm ready. I click on number 2. I click here. Boom, everything is open. Now, as I told you, I can click to close a particular basket or close everything. So let's say I have the basket number 1 that is not nice, or that reach a certain profit. For whatever reason, I want to close it. I click here, nothing is happening. Once again, security measure, not to make a false manipulation. I need to activate it first in yellow. Now I click here, do you want to close? Look what happened when I close my first basket, which was the sterling basket. Yes, everything closed. Now I can close these other 2 by activating one by one. Of course, they can reach the risk and reward and close automatically. I'm showing you how to use the simulator manually in case you want to close something. But I can click here on close order. Yes, both of them are closed immediately. And this is how you use the simulator to open 1, 2, or 3 simulated baskets, then decide which one are going live, and finally closing them individually or collectively with the close order button. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I'll see you soon for more episodes. Until then, I wish you a happy trading. Bye bye.